Well, Cherish the Ladies is a group that started back in 1985 from a series of concerts held in New York City. And it was an idea by a wonderful friend, a great musician, Dr. Mick Maloney, who was amazed at all the young women playing Irish traditional music for what had been for centuries the male-dominated scene. And he thought he'd get together a few of us to do a couple of concerts. And 25 years later, we're still on the road. So I never thought that would happen. This is our first time ever playing in Sligo. It's very exciting to be here. It's been such a huge, important county to the music in New York, being Michael Coleman living there forever and passing on so much the strong Sligo traditions in New York. So it's great to finally play in downtown Sligo in the Hawkswell here tonight. Well, the internet is amazing. To be thinking that this show is going to go out on September 16th. Live, what you're going to be hearing and seeing what we do tonight. It's fantastic, and I'm so thrilled to be a part of Livetrad.com, and it's great that there's so many great concerts being filmed and going out to the masses. So many people that wouldn't be able to hear it or have the opportunity to capture these great concerts happening live, and it's in your living room, so right in your computers, anywhere in the world. It's fantastic. Well, you know, down through the years, we've had some lineup changes. It's been inevitable because a lot of the time babies came along. We were all together for the first 7 years, and then a couple of babies came. And then some people just had incredible opportunities come their way, like Eileen Ivers was a founding member, went off to do Riverdance. And we've had Kathy Ryan come through, a wonderful singer, as well as probably Winnie Horan, who was still with Solus, a founding member of the great band Solus. And I've been here along with Mary Coogan on guitar since the very beginning. Our fiddle player is Grania Murphy. She's the newest member from Boston, Massachusetts, but she learned her music from the great fiddle player Seamus Conley from County Clare. My accordion player is Morella Murray, and she's in her 9th year with the band. And Kathleen Boyle is on the piano. Kathleen is from Glasgow, and she's in her 7th year. So we've had a lot of changes, but you know, when you're this long together, it's bound to happen. But it's fresh blood and new energy, and sometimes you hate to see anybody leave, but it's always sometimes nice.
And you've got some guests tonight.
Well, whenever we tour and we travel, whenever we're in a country that we don't go to too often, we love to take advantage of fans that we're huge fans of. And tonight, joining us, we have Don Stiff, in my opinion, one of the greatest singers anywhere in the world. I fell in love with him a few years ago when I tracked him down to Connemara. He's from Headford and Galway, and he's singing with us tonight. And living in this town is one of the great Baron players anywhere, again, on the planet, and that's John Joe Kelly from Manchester. And, you know, we said, come along for the gig and for the crack. And last but not least, we always have dancing, which has been a huge part of our whole story since the very beginning. And we have 4-time world champion Declan McHale, who's from outside Birmingham in England. Well, you know, it always amazed me in my travels, the fans of Irish music in America. I mean, that's where we're based, that's where we make our bread and butter, and they're the people that we love to play for. And I'm not surprised when I heard that Livetrad.com's most populous audience is in America. And I'm thrilled, and I'm glad to be playing out to everybody on September 16th. I hope everybody tunes in, especially all my Yankee friends back on the Narrowbacks. I don't know where they got the Narrowback line, I don't know. But I hope you all tune in on September 16th. Looking forward to, hope you enjoy the show, and then you can find out more about us at CherishTheLadies.com or go to Livetrad.com. Thanks for coming in, tuning in.